material things are nice, but it's more important to do something you love.
Hi, I'm Iesha Snow. Welcome back to my channel. So, the bag I wanted to unbox for you all today is the Erin 25 from Handbag Crave. So let's go ahead and hop into that. This is the bag in question. This bag is, again, the Erin 25, and the color is tan with white stitching. I ordered this bag myself. I've ordered, I think it's one other bag from Handbag Crave. I had the milkshake white in Epsom, and I absolutely love that bag because it was such a great spring summer bag, and I think this one is as well. This bag features 4 feet on the bottom with reinforced leather so that when you set it down, it does not scratch up the bottom leather. It also has a double handle, and it has these little arms so you can close the bag so it is secure. I personally wear this bag open because it's a smaller bag, so it's always close to my body somehow, either on the crook of my arm or just handheld. So I'm not too worried about, my belongings inside. So on the interior of this bag, I have a few of my things in here, as well as the note they send with it. This note just says, thank you for ordering, tag us on Instagram and all those kind of things, which is very nice. This bag also comes with 2 twilly scarves. I am not a fan of the colors that I received, but that's okay. It also has a cross body strap because on the side of the bag, they have punched 2 holes with grommets so that you guys can wear it cross body, which I think is a benefit over like the, typical Birkin, because those are only like handheld. And this has the option to wear it as a cross body for all those moments where you just need to be hands free. Inside of the bag, you can see that there is a back zipper pocket, and then there is also a slip pocket on the front. I've been wearing this bag a little bit, so my things are inside of it. Well, I haven't really been wearing it. I put my things inside of it to see how it is, because to be honest, I do have this listed on MERCARI, and I'll tell you guys why. I know I said it last time I'll tell you guys why, but I forgot, so I'll tell you guys why at the end of this video. So I absolutely love the design of this bag. I like the size of this bag because I think it just fits my body best. I was looking into a 30 type bag. I was contacting Boutique Luxury about trying to get a black 30 size bag, but that's because I was looking for a tote. Again, I had like my whole luxury wish list in my last video, so I'm looking for a tote style bag, and I think a Birkin 30 on my frame looks kind of like a tote style bag. So I was contemplating getting that bag so I can use it as kind of like a road trip type bag. Few things I wanted to mention just because I was curious about this when I was getting it and I didn't know is that I have a 10-inch iPad that I use to schedule my videos and all those like little type of things, and I can fit it in the back of the bag. I've not tried it closed because again, I don't like to wear it closed, but if you hold it like the way I hold it, technically this iPad does fit inside of the bag. So it fits inside like this, but it doesn't go all the way up to almost the top of the bag. So I quickly glazed over the things that come with the bag, but I wanted to show you guys what is exactly in here. So it comes with a clochette, I think is how you pronounce it, aka a key bell, where you could hang it from your bag like a charm and put the key inside of it, or not the key, you put the lock inside of it. This is the lock that comes with it. It is still wrapped up in the plastic because again, I have this listed on MERCARI. And it has a crossbody strap as well, which I think is very useful. As I said earlier, it comes with the 2 twillies, and it also had an orange horse charm, but I think I left that upstairs, and I'm not going to go get it right now. I'll insert a picture of how this bag came packaged. Somehow my box got a little bit damaged on the way here, but I also had like a USPS issue when I ordered my bag, so that could be what the damage came from. The shipping of this bag was actually pretty fast, especially since it actually does come from the UK. I think I got this bag within like a week or like 7 to 8 days. I got this bag from ordering, which is pretty fast for it to be international. So that actually leads me into the update portion of today's video. The reason I have this one listed on MERCARI is because I decided to get the one that I've been dreaming of for years. I've known about Handbag Crave for a very long time, probably like 2-3 years now. I've known about Handbag Crave, and the bag I always wanted from them is the Erin 25 in the black Epsom leather with gold hardware. And I tell you, that bag is always sold out. And so I, have my insomnia type nights where I'm just up with my brain racing. So I always end up shopping, which is probably a terrible habit, but I found out that the bag I want is available. And I don't really do like doubles in my wardrobe. Like I'd like to do one bag in, one bag out. And so since I will be getting the same exact bag, I went ahead and listed this one on my MERCARI. So if you're in the US and you're looking for this exact bag for, I think I have it listed for about like 30 to like $20 to $30 cheaper. It is on my MERCARI, which I have linked below. So I don't know if you follow me on Instagram and all those kind of places, but I've been having like a closet clean out, like a long-term type of closet clean out sale. I created a closet clean out board in order to be able to list my bags and to show you guys what's available sporadically. Cause like what I used to do is I used to collect the ones I don't want anymore, hold off for a certain day, and then like drop them all on my Instagram story. But now I use the closet clean out board. The reason I have that and the reason I've been getting rid of so many bags, I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's been like 7-8 bags on there, is because I kind of want to move. I kind of want a new house. I love my house. I have a 3-bedroom, 2-story house. It was my dream house when I bought it, but like, you know, the more you grow, the more you need, I suppose, or want, I want to say, because my needs are met definitely in this house. But I was thinking about moving. And when I moved to a different state initially, because I'm from Maryland, I moved to North Carolina, I wanted to not take anything. And so when me and my husband moved, we took barely anything from our old house. We pretty much got rid of everything or like sold it, gave it away to family, yada, yada, yada. Like I got rid of like my entire bag collection back then. So when I moved down here, I pretty much started over with my bag collection and my furniture and all those kind of things. And I've collected a lot of bags through the years. I've had a lot of bags. If you look on my Pinterest link board, there's probably like 40 bags on there. So I've owned all the bags, or almost all the bags that are on my Pinterest link form. Some bags on there, I've said I will post it even though I did not own that bag. So I say all that to say that I am looking to minimalize my wardrobe overall. And I'm looking for, if I do move, because there's nothing set in stone yet. We did contact our realtor, but nothing's set in stone. So if I do move, I don't want to have to move all those things with me. And I'm trying to only keep things that bring me joy, you know, do the whole Marie Kondo lifestyle, if you shall. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry for like the little end rant. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in next Friday's video back in my office. All right, bye.